Hello to all the church members of the Henry County Baptist Association of Virginia. I've met many of you, but for those of you who don't know me, I'm Reverend Rocky Rockwell, your new associational missionary. I hope to meet the rest of you soon. But I've made this video for a very special purpose. We all know that our neighbors to the west and south of us in Western Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, and Alabama are struggling to put their lives back together after Hurricane Helene decimated the whole region. We were very fortunate to be just east of the impact zone, for which I know we are all grateful. I also know that we and many others are doing what we can to help the folks whose lives have been completely upended. Well, there is a new opportunity for us to help out. The Baptist General Assembly of Virginia, BGAV, has a rebuild project in Damascus, Virginia, just 3 hours west of us. They have 74 houses being rebuilt right now, all at different stages of completion. They will be opening a new deployment site as of the week starting with Resurrection Sunday, April 20th, which just happens to coincide with the Martinsville Henry County Public School spring break. We have just committed to sending 20 volunteers to Damascus that week, arriving the afternoon of Monday, April 21st, and returning home Saturday, April 26th. We had been looking for exactly this, a place where we can go and make a real difference, and at a time when parents can take their teens, 6th grade and up, with them. Now we need to find those 20 volunteers. But we've got to act fast, or BGAV will have to give that week to other volunteers. This is a great opportunity, not only to help people who really need our help, but also to mentor our youth into the mission-mindedness that this world needs. The site manager tells us that with 74 houses in different stages of completion, there's plenty of work to do for anyone of any skill level, whether you can help with the building, help with the painting, or even just help clean up the work sites. We're also looking for someone who can do the cooking for our team, maybe a few someones. I really want to urge all of us to give this a hard look. Let's think about what it would mean to us if that storm had hit us and our neighbors showed up to help us rebuild. And maybe what it would mean to us if they did not. This is a great opportunity. Parents, bring your teens. They're out of school that week. If you would be interested in joining us, go to our association website. That's hcbav.org. You'll see the big light green box in the middle of the page that says New Mission Opportunity. Click on that and it will take you to what I've written up about the deployment. Click on the Hurricane Helene Rebuild sign-up sheet about halfway down, print it out, fill it out, take a picture of it and message it to my phone or email it to me. My contact information is all right there. We've watched the news. We've seen the pain. We've given supplies and money for the supplies to help. Folks, this is our opportunity to go up and help these people in the name of Jesus and take our teens with us. What an experience for them. Don't let this slip away. Get your sign-up sheet to me as quickly as you can so that I can go back to BGAV and tell them the Henry County Baptist will be there to help our neighbors. I'm going, and I can't think of a better way to meet those of you whom I haven't met yet. God bless you as you pray about this.